is the fastest way to grow on YouTube by having a niche? We are going to have a big discussion on this, and I just want to set you up for success. This is what Move Forward Monday is all about.
Veena V.
Hello, my beautiful team action. It's Veena V here, and I fire you up to create effortless YouTube videos. I quite like what I said there at the beginning, setting you up for success. Maybe I should try and build that into my tagline. We are going to do a video one day, by the way, on video structure. I think that'll be so good for you to how to structure a video. Anyway, today we are going to be talking about this thing of a niche on YouTube. Do you really need a niche on YouTube to succeed? You might want to watch last week's video because this is kind of a part two. Last week we discussed about, can you find success by having multiple YouTube channels, or should you stick to the one? And today it's kind of the argument of you should maybe stick to that one. And I want to give you some really good examples and really get you thinking about why you should potentially mold your YouTube channel in this way. If you have not subscribed yet already, please make sure you do. Join the Team Action crew every single Monday, Move Forward Mondays. Okay, let's think about Dyson. You need to bear with me here. This is so, don't click off this video. This is really important analogy, okay? Do you know Dyson? Dyson are, you know, that massive Hoover brand. Dyson did Hoovers for a hell of a long time. We always knew the name Dyson was Hoovers. And ever since I was little, I always wanted a Dyson Hoover. But I didn't have the money to buy a Dyson Hoover. So as I got older, and as I, lived by myself in flats, and now I'm in a house, I bought these Hoovers that were maybe 40, 50 pounds, okay? But what would happen every year is I would end up buying a new Hoover because it would just end up breaking, or it would just not be great. So eventually I bought a Dyson, and I've had my Dyson now for about 2 years, and it's so good. It's just like, yeah, I love this. So we know Dyson is this high-end brand for Hoovers. We all know, it, okay? Now, what's happened is, because they've made their mark, because they put so much time, energy and focus into building up Dyson to be this amazing high-end Hoover brand, they have now diversified into other products. They now do hairdryers. They now do curling tongs. They do humidifiers. They do when you go to like a public toilet, they do hand dryers. Like, what? They do so many different products now. Now, the whole point of why I'm telling you this example is to see your YouTube channel as Dyson. Be laser focused on one thing. They had a niche. Their niche was being the best Hoover brand that they could be. And then when they got that market, when they were probably becoming like, hey, we don't even need to market that much now, we're selling so many Hoovers, people want our Hoovers, that's when they started diversifying. You do that one YouTube channel really well, and then you use your name on another channel, more creative things that you want to do. And maybe this is where I've made a mistake, because my YouTube channels are so disconnected. They're called Veena V, this channel, which is all about YouTube tips, Mum to Millionaire, which is inspiring mums to start a business, and we talk about a lot more personal issues, and Real Mauritius. There's all my free main channels. I've got other random channels as well, and Real Mauritius is all about showing you the paradise island of Mauritius, and it's all like holiday, like, yeah, fun. So, not connected, different names. I may have grown a lot more faster. I may have got to my long-term goal and strategy if maybe they were, had similar names. Again, take Virgin as a great example of this. What did they start out in? I think it was, oh my God, they do so many things now. I'm sure they started out with the Virgin stores where they sold like music. I'm sure they did, unless it was something else, but let's pretend it was that they started with. This is how good their company is now. I can't remember where they started. Let's take that as an example. They started with the Virgin mega stores, music stores. Again, they got really good at that, and then they use their name on freaking everything now. There's Virgin Airways, Virgin Trains, Virgin Money, Virgin, anything that you can actually think of, Virgin are doing it. But again, they started with one thing. Do you see the point of what I'm trying to say now? Is get really good at one thing, at one YouTube channel, have laser focus, time and energy on that one thing, become that market leader, become that YouTuber that people know, when we go to her or his channel, we are going to get X, Y, and Z from it. They know you for that. Let's take Logan Paul as an example. Some of you may not like that example, but I'm going to do it. Logan Paul became this daily vlogger, relentless hard work every single day. You knew when you type in his name, you're going to get a brand new video from him. Now, obviously, what happened with him, he took a little break, but now he's used his name and he's set up. Look, again, this is a great example of someone bouncing back from something that everyone was against him, but now people, including myself, I watch his other YouTube channel, and that's his podcast. It's called Impulsive. And that's, again, it's still centered on his personality, but he's bringing something else. So again, he started with those daily vlogs. He got so good at that. He surpassed blooming everyone to, 10 million subscribers? And then he's used his name. He set up another YouTube channel that is interviewing people. And it's all about, again, it's his personality, but it's very different from the vlogs. And that's why I like watching the podcast, because it's just something different on his podcast. This is no plug for the podcast, but it's good. I listen to that. I watch those videos. And again, it's using the examples I gave you of Dyson, of Virgin, of Logan Paul, focusing in on something, on a specific niche, and then diversifying. So you might want to do that with your YouTube channel. Get really good at one YouTube channel, and then have another channel where you can drive subscribers over, drive audience over to another channel that are interested in that niche. Or if you're like me and you're always thinking of ideas constantly, that other channel could be where you're literally doing whatever you want. That is your creative outlet. Okay, again, we could be here all day talking about this subject of should you have one channel, what should you do? At the end of the day, it's up to you. I think there is a proven fact that if you do have one channel and work really hard at it, you release consistent content, you've got a laser focused niche, you will grow much quicker. But if that's not important to you, if what's important is having a creative outlet, doing varied content, and you actually might grow quicker that way because you'll be so passionate about doing lots of different styles that you'll probably surpass yourself, as if you were constraining and refining, that's not a word, I'm using that in the wrong context. If you're constraining yourself to one specific area, it's all about you. You need to make that decision for yourself. You can watch a million videos about niches and multiple YouTube channels. You've got to try it out at the end of the day. You need to make that decision. What have you done in your YouTube channel career so far? Let me know what your channel's about. Comment below. And do you know what? I need to say this. You ladies, you come on YouTube and you just stuff your hair in a bun and you look stunning. I've tried to do this today and it just doesn't look good. It's very strange. I'm surprised none of you have noticed. I was trying to do a different look and it looks really weird when I put my hair up in a... I was just trying something new and it didn't work. Comment below. Let me know what your channel's about, and this is what Move Forward Monday is all about. We have that discussion, me and you together. I love you so much. Previous videos are on the screen for you right now. Click subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Every single Monday, Move Forward Mondays, motivation for small YouTubers. I love you. Be a happiness hunter. Go out there in the world, find what makes you happy, and go and take action, because if you don't do it, no one is going to do it for you.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way.